Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make gravy white chana. First, ensure your chickpeas are properly prepared. Soaking 1 cup of dried chickpeas overnight for at least 8 hours is crucial for tenderness. Next, gather your essential ingredients, including fresh onions, ripe tomatoes, and a selection of aromatic spices. This method ensures a rich, flavorful, and wonderfully creamy gravy that's perfect for any meal. Once soaked, pressure cook your chickpeas with about 1.5 cups of water for 5 to 6 whistles, ensuring they are perfectly soft. Meanwhile, in a pan, heat 1 tablespoon of oil and sauté finely chopped onions until they turn a lovely golden brown. Then, add a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and your pureed tomatoes, cooking this mixture until it becomes soft and mushy, forming the rich base. Now it's time to infuse flavor. Stir in 1 teaspoon each of red chili powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, and garam masala. Cook these spices for a couple of minutes until fragrant. Next, add your tender, cooked chickpeas along with approximately 1 cup of their reserved cooking liquid. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, then cover and cook for 10 to 15 minutes, allowing the gravy to thicken beautifully. For the perfect finish, garnish your delicious white chana gravy with a generous sprinkle of fresh coriander leaves and a bright squeeze of lemon juice. Serve this hearty dish hot with fluffy basmati rice, warm naan, or your preferred flatbread for a truly satisfying meal. And hey, if you're looking to make meal prep a breeze, check out the link in the description for some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.